You're changing underwears every day, you change your socks every day, you should actually change your balaclava as well. What's up YouTube, welcome back to today's video and आज के वीडियो में मैं एक ऐसा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ जो लॉट ऑफ bikers actually neglect. That is a part of personal hygiene, I would say, and it starts by wearing a balaclava. The thing is कि balaclava आपको उस हिसाब से ट्रीट करना है जैसे कि you're changing underwears every day, you change your socks every day, you should actually change your balaclava as well. And it's not just like same balaclava आप 365 days use करो. It's bad hygiene. So ये आपके स्किन को भी प्रॉब्लम करेगा and if you're wearing it so it just costs like I think 250-300 bucks. 250-300 में आपको एक अच्छा क्वालिटी का balaclava मिल जाएगा. Right now I'm wearing a Grand Pit Stop and as you can see इसका balaclava will be covering your eyes like this. When कोई होता है कि I can show you actually. I have 4 or 5. ये मैंने लिया था. This is from I think XDI or something. This cost me 500 and I think 450 or something. It's not worth it. So yeah, other time ये नीचे गिर जाएगा. मतलब this thing will come down rather than Grand Pit Stop वाला. You can see it's very nicely gripped above my nose, and it's made of dry fit material that will absorb your sweat. यहाँ पे मेरे पास total 3 है. 3 from Grand Pit Stop, 1 from Aspida, and this one from I think XDI, which I'll not use that often because I didn't like the material and I didn't like it doesn't fit you properly like this. ये हमेशा नीचे आ जाएगा like this, so you have to keep pulling it up and up and up, and it's not the best experience. So that's what I think कि be it summer or winter, summer में ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ता है because you're sweating more, and if you're having a good balaclava, try to buy 2 or आप 2 खरीद सकते हो at least. Just cost you like 500 bucks. You can wash one and then you can use the other one and then you can repeat if you're riding your bike every day. So this is a very good habit. I think all the riders should have this, and if you're touring you should have multiple, I think. That's what I suggest. Don't forget to change your balaclava just like you change your underwear every day. मैंने almost सभी balaclava use किया है, so my suggestion is you can buy from the Grand Pit Stop one. Grand Pit Stop वाला मेरे को मैं अभी every day पहन रहा हूँ. I'm not wearing this one anymore. The XDI one isn't the best. I think this is for maybe off-roading or something, but I'm not a fan of it. This one is quite good. It fits your face. वो shape में रहता है. And if you want to buy online, you can offline also in Kolkata. You can contact Musafir. I've got this from there only. I got 3 pieces from there. I got an arm sleeve from there also. This arm sleeve that I'm wearing is a rider. I didn't get from the store. This one I got online. One moment. I will actually show you the Grand Pit Stop one. That is actually better. And it cost half the amount of money. So this cost around 250 only. And this cost me 500 just for the branding. I'm not suggesting anyone to buy this. You can buy this one, Grand Pit Stop one. Not endorsing Grand Pit Stop or anything, but this is what I think it's working nice for me, so I wanted to share. So that's all guys. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you again in the next video.